Good evening, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order or would you like a few more minutes to decide?
Thank you for the warm welcome. I'll need a little more time to look at the menu, please.
Absolutely, take your time. Our menu offers a wide variety of options, from appetizers to main courses. If you have any questions or need recommendations, feel free to ask.
Thank you. Could you tell me what your specialty is? I'm in the mood for something unique and delicious.
Certainly. One of our signature dishes is the grilled salmon with mango salsa. It's a perfect combination of flavors, with the juicy salmon fillet complemented by the tangy sweetness of fresh mango. We also have a special vegetarian dish, the stuffed portobello mushroom with quinoa and feta cheese, which is highly recommended.
Both sound fantastic. I'll go with the grilled salmon with mango salsa. And could you recommend a good wine to pair with it?
Excellent choice, sir. The grilled salmon pairs wonderfully with a crisp and fruity white wine. I would recommend our house Chardonnay, which has hints of tropical fruit and a smooth finish. It will enhance the flavors of the dish and create a delightful dining experience.
That sounds perfect. I'll have a glass of the house Chardonnay with my meal. And could you also bring me a side of your garlic mashed potatoes?
Certainly, sir. The garlic mashed potatoes will complement the salmon dish nicely. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, I noticed you have a selection of desserts on the menu. Could you tell me a bit about your most popular dessert options?
Of course. Our most popular dessert is the decadent chocolate lava cake. It's a rich, warm chocolate cake with a goe, molten center. We also have a classic New York-style cheesecake, a refreshing fruit tart, and a creamy crème brûlée. All of them are delightful options to end your meal on a sweet note.
They all sound tempting, but I think I'll go with the decadent chocolate lava cake. Please bring it after I finish my main course.
Absolutely, sir. I'll make sure to serve it to you at the perfect moment. Is there anything else you need, or are you all set for now?
I think I'm all set for now. Thank you for your help and recommendations.
It's my pleasure, sir. If you have any other questions or need anything during your dining experience, don't hesitate to let me know. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to it.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.